Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. In this video, I'm going to share how to share your add-in and how to install that add-in if you download from a website or somewhere else. So you need to download the file first. So like this add-in is in my Google Drive, so I can download my file from Google Drive. So once it's downloaded, I can go into this D drive. Now the next step is that select file, right click, open property and check unblock macro and apply. So this is only for Microsoft 365. If you have Microsoft 365 then. So you can see that I do have this unblock. So if you have 365 then you may see this one. So you need to do unblock and then apply and then OK. So this is the second step. The third step, that copy the add-in. So I can just select this add-in again. I can copy this add-in, or you can press Ctrl C to copy the add-in. Now, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. The fourth step, it's saying that press Win plus R. So you need to press Win plus R keyboard shortcut, and then you need to type this app data, Microsoft and add-ins and press enter. It will take you to this particular folder, Microsoft and add-in. Okay, this folder. Now I can just paste that add-in. So paste it here, this add-in. So that is, it will take you to the directory where you need to add the add-in. That means you need to paste the add-in. Now open Excel and go into developer tab. So the next step is that we need to open Excel. So this is the Excel. I can, let's say, create a blank workbook. Now you can see this pivot table and comment extractor. That's already in there because I did this previous time. But if you are doing this for the first time, what you need to do, you need to go into this developer tab. But if you don't have this developer tab, then go file, option, customize ribbon, and then you need to check this one, this pattern. Okay, so check this one. So we'll have this developer tab, and then you need to click on this Excel add-ins, and you will have list of different add-in in this section. So you can uncheck if you want to uninstall that one, and if you want to install, then you can check this one and then press OK. So that's the process how to install the add-in. And once you have installed the add-in, then you can use any feature from this add-in. That's the process. Check your preferred add-in and press OK, and then done. So that is Excel, going to developer tab. So I'm going to show this again. If you don't have a developer tab, then you need to go into this file, option, customize ribbon, and here is the developer tab. So that's the process. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button.